Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain NCERT class 9th exercise 1.4 page number 18 problem number 1. Problem number 1. In this we will see what the question it is asking. Visualize 3.765 on number line using successive magnification. For this what we have to do, first of all we should take the number line. We should take the number line for solution. Take the number line 3.765. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Okay. Now 3.765 comes under in between 3 and 4. Now make one more line segment. In this take 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Here it will be 4. Now 3.7, where it is 3.7? Here 3.7, and 3.765 come in between 3.7 and 3.8. 3.7 and 3.8. Now take line segment, one more line segment. Next 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. After 3.79 it will be 3.8. Now 3. This finish, this one finish, and now 3.76 comes in between 3.676 and 3.77. One more line segment. Now here 3.76, 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766. So we want this one. This is the answer. Here it is getting. Okay. Okay. Now see here what we have to do. First of all we should make a line segment. Okay. And we should keep what the question it is asking. First we will go for the question. It is asking visualize 3.765 on number line using successive magnification. See the question properly. Now what we have to do, 3.765. First make a line segment, place the number, take a line and keep the numbers on it. It will become number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. It will be endless. Here also it is endless. So 3.765 will come in between 3 and 4, more than 3, less than 4, in between. Okay, not in between, in 3 and 4. Okay, so 3, 4. Now after 3, what it is after decimal point, what it is, first number is 7. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. After 3.9 it will become 4. Okay. Now 3.7, after that 7 it is 6. That means it will be in 3.7 and 3.8. So 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3. So on. So it will be in 3.76 and 3.77. Now 3.76 and 3.77. After that next is 5. So 3.76, 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765. This is the answer asking us to do. This is the answer. Okay. Now we will go for the next problem, second problem of NCERT class 9 exercise 1.4 page number 18, problem number 2, second problem. Okay, what the question it is asking, visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places, up to 4 decimal places. So up to 4 decimal places means it will be 4.2626 up to 4 decimal, because 26 bar is on 26, that means 4.262626 continuously going on endlessly. It is non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Now what we have to do, we should take a number line, take a number line. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Okay, here also it is going so on. Now 4.26, we should make circle for 4 and 5, because it will be 4.26 will be in 4 and 5. Now make one more number line, 4 here, 5. Now 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. Okay, 4.9. Then what is the next to 2? So make the circle for 2 and 3, because it will be in 4.2 and 4.3. Make one more number line, here 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29. Here it will be 4.3, 4.3. Next, after 4.2, what it is? 6. Then it will be in 4.26 and 4.27. Make line segment here, 4.21, 4.26, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, 4.26, 4.27. So next is 4.26. So after 6, what is the next? Again one more 2. So it will be here. You should make the mark for this 2. Next, take one more line, number line. Okay. Make one more number line. Place the number on this number line. Here 4.262, 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.263, 2, 5, 4.2626, okay, 4.2627. So it is the answer. This is the answer asking us to do. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, because here it is asking up to 4 decimal points. 4.2626 will be the 4 decimal places. Okay, first in between 4 and 5, it will come in not in between, it will be in 4 and 5. Then we should take 4 and 5. 4.1, 4.2. Why we are taking 4.1? Here it is after decimal point, first digit is 2. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 up to 4.9, after it will become 5. Then 4.2, after that it is 6. That means it will be in 4.2 and 4.3. So 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23 like that. Okay. Next digit is 4.262. So it will be in 4.26 and 4.27. Now 4.26, 4.261, 4.262, okay, continuously. Then it will be in 4.262. Why we are taking? Because here it is 2. So last digit is 6. Then 4.262, 4.2621, 4.262 like that. So on 3, 4, 5. Here it is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is the second problem of NCERT class 9th exercise 1.4 page number 18, problem number 2. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.